Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I have a kind of review slash trial, I guess, on the new Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. Now these are awesome because, to be honest, when I first saw them coming out I was like, this is so sick, I actually can't wait to use it. But in reality it's kind of like a concealer for the eyes, but regardless, it says it's a full coverage eyeshadow base, which is awesome, which to me is just ringing. It's like going do P. Louise eyeshadow bases, which is like pretty much a dupe. But your girl loves a good dupe, and I love Makeup Revolution. Makeup Revolution are like probably one of the best drugstore brands out there. So I was really excited to try this out. Now, I bought all four of them because I was going to be that girl and I was going to do the can I use this as contour kind of thing, but I'm just like, let me not do that. I don't want to do that. I was going to do that. That's literally the only reason why I bought it. I was going to do it. I was going to be like, oh yeah, maybe I can use it as contour or bronzer. I'm not going to go there. So regardless, I bought all colours. There's Halo, which is white, Illustrate, which is fair, Create, which is medium, Etch, which is deep. And they've all got a built-in brush inside basically. So instead of the normal doe foot you would get, for example, in the Conceal and Define concealer, it's a brush. I'll show you. Let me just grab one out. Okay, so this one is the Halo. This is the white one. So if I pop it open for you, this is what it looks like. So it's got a brush at the end. Don't know if you can see it. It's a brush. Okay, so at first glance while taking it out, the formula looks like almost paint-like. I don't know, maybe because it's white. Let me grab another colour. Okay, this one's Illustrate. No, it's like more like a concealer consistency, just a thick concealer consistency. I don't know what I think about the smell. Smells like a concealer. I don't know. Okay, so I've popped all of them open. They have lovely packaging. It's a little bit bigger than the Conceal and Define. I don't have that at the moment. I ran out of that. But it says it's got 4.5 mil, which is exactly the same as their Fast Base Concealer. I'm just trying to find where it said that. Yeah, 4.5. It says 4.5 here, and it's exactly the same amount as you would get in the Fast Base Concealer. So it's quite a lot actually, and if you're doing cut creases, you're not actually going to need that much, I don't think, especially depending on how pigmented they are and how little goes a long way, or if a lot goes a long way. It depends on what it is. So again, let's just clarify, I am a non-biased channel. Even if I like a brand, if I don't like a product, I will tell you I don't like the product. If I don't like the way something works, I don't like the way something works. I'm all about honesty, so I'm just truthful to you guys. I ain't gonna kiss butt, you know. I am very truthful. So far, Makeup Revolution have made fantastic products, and I can't think of anything that I can say wrong about any of their products. So I'm going to try this out. I'm going to show you what each colour looks on my skin, and I'll tell you what it feels like, what it looks like. So let me just get on with it. So we're going to try Halo, which is white. So to me that already looks hecka pigmented. That's really pigmented. I like it. So I'm just kind of like blending it out. The brush is soft. I'm just going to see if I can make a nice precise angle, because the whole point of the curved brush is so that when you do a halo eye, you have that perfect kind of shape when you do it, if you get what I mean. So for example, when you're doing a halo eye, you want it to be like a kind of perfect curve, you know. So this is a lovely brush. I can already feel that it's going to be very easy to use, so I like it already. I like it. So that's white, very pigmented, really nice actually. I'm loving the pigmentation in that. To be honest, it does kind of smell like paint. If you've ever been to a store where they sell like paints and papers and brushes, like an art store, it kind of smells like paint, not gonna lie, but it doesn't affect my nose in any way to what I can smell. So this one is called Illustrate, which is supposed to be light, which is pretty much my skin tone. Yeah, it's pretty much, I could use this as a concealer, to be honest. Very pigmented. This is basically my concealer shade, funnily enough. But again, with the angles, lovely. It's smooth. The consistency is very soft. Let me feel it with my finger because I haven't felt it yet. It's got very like a smooth consistency. Think of like a concealer, but a little bit more smoother. Think of it like a concealer slash primer. It's got like a very smooth, soft texture to it. It blends out lovely. Yeah, it's got a fantastic blend to it. Okay, you can't really see because it's exactly the same as my skin tone. But it's got a lovely texture to it. I'll do it with another product. Okay, now Create, which is medium. This has more of like a yellow undertone to it. Yeah, it's got more of a yellow undertone, like a actual banana-ish undertone. And then again, I just feel like it's got a beautiful blend to it. Really lovely, really smooth, really easy to blend, very blendable. Loving it so far. Okay, and the last one is Etch, which is deep. Very smooth. Really lovely, very smooth. I don't know, I really like it. It's got a smooth texture to it. I feel like a little will go a long way. Like, I like it. Okay, so basically, I'm not just here to show it. I'm gonna try it out and use it. So give me a second, let me do my eyebrows quick, and then I'm gonna start off with an eyeshadow look. Okay, I'm gonna get going on the eyeshadow. I think I'm just gonna show you how it works instead of showing you a tutorial and how it works. Instead, I'll just separate the tutorial and then how it works. So we'll have two different videos for that. So let me get going on to the eyeshadow, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut the crease. Alright, let's try this out. I'm going to use white. I'm going to take some of the product off and put it on my hand. This is what I've got so far. Your girl's trying, you know? Alright, now that I've got a structure down, let's just fill this in. I just want to get a clean brush and just blend this out. Okay, so far from what I can say is that it's very, very, very creamy, the formula. When you pull it out of the pump, there's a lot of product, so I do recommend taking a little bit off and putting it on the back of your hand and then doing it. Me, I kind of just breezed past it because I'm like, you know, let me just go for it. Take your time, you know, don't do me and just go and make loads of mistakes. But you know, it depends on how you do your cut crease. I'm a very messy cut crease person. When I do my eyeshadow looks, I don't know what I'm doing until I do it on the day. So I mean, I'd probably say don't get too much eyeshadow into the brush, because I think the brush right now is like full of blue, because when I pat it, the excess on my hand right now, it's coming off a little bit white to blue, so like a pastel blue instead of white. So I'd probably say don't put too much on the brush and mix it in. But so far I am liking it. I've got loads on my eyelash as well. So far I'm liking it. I am just going to continue with my eye look, and then I'll be back with you at the end to tell you how I'm feeling about it. So yeah. Okay, so your girl's back and I'm finished with my look. This is how my look turned out. Blue Monday, also cut crease Monday as well. So my thoughts on this product. Cool. So I used white, which is Halo, and okay, I've got things to say basically. So I don't know if I'll insert it in the video or not. You'll probably see it anyway. But when I'm applying it, a lot of the product is going on my real lashes. So I think my way or my tip would be to, when you pull it out, because a lot of product comes out on the brush, so it's to literally just like wipe it all off, wipe everything off, all the product that you have there, like that, so that it's a clean-ish stick, and then you won't be able to get like product on your actual eyelashes. And also, because there's a lot of product, I feel like I don't want to waste it, so every time you put it in and pump it out, this amount of product comes out. So if I'm just trying to do small touch-ups, all this product comes out and I don't want to waste it, so I've literally just like, you know, scooped it back up because I don't want to waste that at all. So I've kind of just scooped it up and like pushed it back in. So I don't want to waste that. There's no point in wasting it. So you see I've only got a little bit left on my hand, so that's okay. Other than that, again, what I was mentioning with the touch-ups, if I wanted to do just a slight touch-up, I didn't want like that full coverage paste, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to like slightly, you know, curve it. I don't want to fully cut it. I just want to slightly make a little bit of a detail. So if I wanted to do that, again, I'd have to remove all the product that I would have on the brush, and again, it's a lot of product, so I think that's just one thing that I could mention. Other than that, it is very full coverage, as it says here, full coverage eyeshadow base, which is awesome. So if you want it to your skin tone, or if you want it to your the colour of your look that you're going for, this one, even though it's a deep one, to be honest, if I was going to do, let's say, like a bronzy cut crease, I could use this, and this would give me like a fantastic like bronze payoff, and I could like pack a bronze shadow on top of it. So, you know, there's different ways of using these products. Also, they're fantastic for kits, and they're only like £6. So if you are a makeup artist, it is fantastic. It's very versatile, I believe. If it's full coverage, to be honest, I think you can use this as concealer. No word of a lie. The way the light one blends into my skin, that was like, that could have been concealer for my skin. It wasn't patchy, it wasn't anything. It blended in nice. So to be honest, I think I could have done like a contour and bronzing thing with this one. I could have, but I'm not gonna do that. I'll let someone else do that, you know. So yeah, you could see how easy it was to apply. It literally, you just swipe it on and it's just a full coat of colour. So I didn't use anything else because I didn't feel the need to. I just wanted to use white. And the white one is perfect for a completely plain base, and I love a good plain base. I usually use concealer for it, but to have white is perfect. And because it is high coverage, I know, I'm just thinking of all the options I could use as like face paint or something. Like the white one, you could use this on the face, like draw little things here and there, and then like pack a colour on top of it. So I'm just thinking of all the ways to use it. It's a very versatile product, so you could practically use it for a lot of things. Other than that, I have nothing else to say. It is full coverage, it's fantastic, it's blendable, it is really like smooth, like it's so smooth, you can feel how smooth it is. It doesn't feel like rough or draggy. It's like it's practically a concealer type consistency. It's thick, so it's full coverage. Other than that, I think we have a good range so far. I can't really say for the deep tones because I don't know if anyone wants deeper tones than this. But for the white, I am loving the white because I just need a good white for my cut creases. I prefer a white than using my foundation colour. So now I have that. So I mean, let me know what you guys think as well down below, because like I want to know what you guys are thinking. If you guys have tried it, let me know, because I want to know what you guys like and don't like about it. If I've missed anything out, I apologise. I mean, I was just going for it. I just went for it. So yeah, that's pretty much my kind of like review on the cut crease canvases, because I got 4 of them. They're awesome. Try them out. See, I'm sure they're going to put them in Superdrug soon, so I'm sure I'll see this at work. So yeah, tell me how it is and let me know. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.